Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Predecessor Error Code PRS-18. As per our research, this error occurs when players try to add friends across platforms. Players have shared that they are getting this error when trying to add someone from Xbox or PC while playing on PS5. According to our research, this error may come if the friend code is entered incorrectly or if there are account linking issues. In some cases, it may also come if the friends list is full or there is a pending game update. The first thing you should do is to check if your accounts are properly linked. Make sure all your game and platform accounts are synced correctly. Next, make sure you are entering the correct friend code. You can find your friend code by pressing Add Friend and either share your code with your friend or ask them to share theirs with you. If you're still unable to add your friend, then try to search for a match at the same time on the same server. Some users have shared that doing this helped them get into the same match, even if adding as friends failed. If the error still comes, then ask your friend if their invitation inbox or friends list is full. If it is, that may be the reason for the error. So clear some space and try again. If nothing else works, then check if you or your friend need to update the game. If there's any pending update, install it and check if the error still comes. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.